In this video, I'll show you how to create a double elimination bracket. Double elimination brackets stand out as tournament structures because they provide players with the chance to stay in the competition despite early losses. This format keeps participants engaged throughout the entirety of the tournament. Additionally, it provides players with a second chance to demonstrate their skills and potentially secure a championship win. Creating the double elimination bracket is quite straightforward. You can choose the double elimination format either on the welcome screen or by selecting it from the settings section. In the editor, managing the bracket's participants is made easy. You have the capability to oversee the games and determine the winner of each match. Additionally, customization options are available for the bracket's appearance. When you're ready to begin, simply start your double elimination tournament by clicking on the Start Tournament button located in the top right corner. And that's all there is to it. For more tips and how-to videos, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bracketing!